Financial Year Section 241. A financial year is a 12-month period used by a company to prepare financial statements, record, and report its financial activities, which may not align with the calendar year. Key aspects of financial year. 1. Duration. Typically, a financial year spans 12 consecutive months, beginning from the 1st of April and ending on the 31st of March of the following year, unless otherwise specified. 2. Reporting requirements. Companies are required to prepare financial statements, such as balance sheet, profit and loss account, and cash flow statement, at the end of each financial year, providing a summary of their financial performance, position, and cash flows during that period. 3. Consistency. The financial year chosen by a company should be consistent from year to year for the sake of comparability and to facilitate financial analysis and decision-making. 4. Exceptions and extensions. In certain cases, companies may be allowed to change their financial year or apply for an extension for preparing and filing financial statements, subject to approval from regulatory authorities and compliance with legal requirements. Regulatory framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013. The Companies Act specifies provisions relating to the determination, change, and disclosure of the financial year by companies registered in India. It sets out the requirements for preparing and presenting financial statements within a specified timeframe after the end of the financial year. 2. Taxation and statutory filings. The financial year also impacts tax assessments, compliance with regulatory filings, such as annual returns and audit reports, and other statutory obligations imposed on companies by regulatory authorities like the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA. Importance. 1. Financial reporting. The financial year provides a structured timeframe for companies to compile and report their financial information, enabling stakeholders, including shareholders, investors, creditors, and regulators, to assess the company's performance and financial health. 2. Budgeting and planning. It facilitates budgeting, financial forecasting, and strategic planning for the company, helping management set goals, allocate resources, and monitor financial performance over time. 3. Legal compliance. Adhering to the financial year requirements ensures that companies comply with statutory and regulatory obligations, maintain transparency, and uphold corporate governance standards in their financial reporting practices.